Second place goes to the 470 millilitre Thermos Stainless King, the pick for buyers who prioritize heat retention and robust construction. Thermos claims 7 hours hot and 18 hours cold, and independent comparisons have placed it among the stronger performers for retention. Its DrinkLock lid becomes fully leak-proof when turned to the closed position. The lid comes apart for cleaning, includes a small tea bag hook, and Thermos says the whole mug is dishwasher safe at temperatures up to 65 degrees Celsius. The construction is tough, but it also weighs about 365.5 grams. You must turn the closure to drink and turn it back afterwards. It is not as immediate as pressing and releasing a button. That is a weakness while driving or walking, although a physically locked mechanism may also be reassuring. It ranks second because it combines excellent retention with durability, but the number one mug is quicker to use every day.